Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn listening English with a story. Story: a fun day outdoors. The sun was warm and bright. It was a perfect day for a picnic. Sarah and her dog Buster loved picnics. Sarah was a young girl with bright eyes and a happy smile. Buster was a small, fluffy dog with big floppy ears. "Buster, let's go on a picnic," Sarah said to her dog. Buster wagged his tail very fast. He barked happily. Woof woof! He loved picnics too. Sarah went to the kitchen. Her mom was there. "Mom, can we have a picnic today?" Sarah asked. "A picnic? That sounds lovely, Sarah," her mom said. "Where should we have a picnic?" "In the park," Sarah said quickly. "The park is so green and sunny today." "Okay, the park it is," Mom smiled. "Let's make some sandwiches." Sarah and her mom started to make sandwiches. They made cheese sandwiches. They made ham sandwiches. They made peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. Sarah liked peanut butter and jelly sandwiches best. Buster watched them make sandwiches. He sat nicely and waited. He hoped for a little piece of cheese. After the sandwiches, they packed other things for the picnic. They packed juice boxes. They packed apples and bananas. They packed cookies. They packed a big blanket to sit on. They packed a ball for Buster to play with. Sarah helped her mom carry the picnic basket. Buster walked beside them, wagging his tail. They walked to the park. The park was busy. Many people were there. Children were playing. Birds were singing. Flowers were blooming. It was a beautiful park. Sarah and her mom found a nice spot under a big tree. The tree gave them shade. It was cool and comfortable under the tree. They put the blanket on the grass. They put the picnic basket on the blanket. "Picnic time!" Sarah shouted happily. They sat down on the blanket. Sarah opened the picnic basket. First, she gave Buster some dog food in his bowl. Buster ate his food quickly. Then, Sarah took out the sandwiches. She gave her mom a cheese sandwich. She took a peanut butter and jelly sandwich for herself. Her mom took a ham sandwich. They started to eat their sandwiches. The sandwiches were delicious. The juice was cold and sweet. The apples and bananas were fresh and tasty. The cookies were yummy. Buster sat beside Sarah, watching her eat. Sometimes, Sarah gave Buster a tiny piece of her sandwich. Buster was very happy. After they finished eating, Sarah wanted to play with Buster. "Mom, can I play ball with Buster?" Sarah asked. "Yes, of course," her mom said. "But stay close, okay?" "Okay, Mom," Sarah said. Sarah took the ball from the picnic basket. She threw the ball for Buster. "Fetch, Buster, fetch!" Buster ran very fast. He ran after the ball. He caught the ball in his mouth. He brought the ball back to Sarah. Sarah threw the ball again. Buster ran again. They played fetch for a long time. Sarah laughed. Buster barked and wagged his tail. They were having so much fun. Other children in the park watched Sarah and Buster play. Some children came closer. "Can we play too?" one little boy asked. "Sure," Sarah said with a smile. "Come and play with Buster." The children started to play with Buster. They threw the ball. Buster ran and fetched the ball for everyone. Buster loved playing with children. The children loved playing with Buster. Sarah and her mom watched them play. It was so nice to see everyone happy. The sun started to go down. It was getting late. "Sarah, it's time to go home," her mom said. "Aw, do we have to go home now?" Sarah asked. She was still having fun. "Yes, honey, it's getting dark. We can come back to the park again tomorrow," her mom said. "Okay," Sarah said. She was a little sad, but she knew they could come back again. Sarah called Buster. "Buster, time to go home." Buster came running back to Sarah. He was tired from playing, but he was happy. They packed up the picnic blanket and the picnic basket. They walked home together. Sarah held Buster's leash. When they got home, Sarah was tired, but she was very happy. She had a wonderful picnic in the park with her mom and Buster. She ate delicious sandwiches and cookies. She played ball with Buster and new friends. It was a perfect picnic day. Sarah gave Buster some water. She gave him a big hug. "You were a good dog today, Buster," she said. Buster licked Sarah's face. He was happy too. Sarah took a bath and put on her pajamas. She went to bed. She thought about her picnic day. She smiled. It was a very good day. She closed her eyes and fell asleep, dreaming of little red bicycles and picnics in the park. Hope you enjoyed the story. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more stories like this. Thank you.